Yo, I'm up early, sunrise on my grind. Got dreams in my vision and a purpose on my mind. From the back streets to the bright lights, watch me rise. Dodging every obstacle, I'm reaching for the prize. Hustle in my veins, strength in my soul. Life telling me the cards, now I'm in full control. Steady with the rhythm, can't break my stride. Built for the journey with my crew by my side. I'm moving up, step by step, gotta elevate. Life's a game of patience, yeah, I calculate. From the ground up, built it all strong. This is my anthem, this my song. City lights flicker as I'm paving my way. Learn from my losses, now I'm here to stay. Through the highs and the lows, I've seen it all. Every stumble and fall just made me stand tall. Looking back, yeah, I know what it took. Reading life like a pro, no textbook. From the shadows to the spotlight, I'm breaking free. Every scar on my story, now it's part of me. I'm moving up, step by step, gotta elevate. Life's a game of patience, yeah, I calculate. From the ground up, built it all strong. This is my anthem, this my song. Yeah, I'm grounded but my vision's high. Sky's not the limit, I'm beyond the sky. A warrior's heart, yeah, that's what I claim. Set fire to the doubt, only fueling my flame. You're my flame, yeah. So here's to the journey, to every mile, to every setback that taught me to smile. With my head held high, I'm pushing on. Write my name in the stars, cause I'm far from gone. I'm moving up, step by step, gotta elevate. Life's a game of patience, yeah, I calculate. From the ground up, built it all strong. This is my anthem, this my song. You're my flame, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.